Hello, let me show you how to set up and use repeatable field groups with Toolset. Repeatable field groups are created in the same way as a regular group of custom fields. Go to the Toolset Custom Fields page and click to add a new group. Give your group a name. I want to create a simple gallery feature, so I will call it Gallery. Now, save your group so that you can select the post type it will be used for. This is an important step because you can only add repeatable groups when the main group is assigned to one specific post type. I want to use it for regular WordPress pages, so I select that. And you can see that the button to add a repeatable group just became available. We continue by naming our repeatable group. I will call it Gallery Item. Now I can add custom fields to our repeatable group. I start with an image field. Next, I add a single line field for the caption. Then, a URL field for where the image links to. And finally, another single line field for the image alt attribute. And that's it. Save the field group and it is all set up. Now we can start using it. I create a page, since pages are what I selected to use my repeatable group of fields for. You first need to save the page or a post for the repeatable field group to become available. And there it is. I can start adding our repeatable items. You can give a name to each item to recognize it more easily. This is especially useful when translating repeatable groups. Now, we enter information for the fields of every item. And you can add as many items as you prefer. You can also order them, or delete them. Finally, you can choose between two display modes for repeatable items. Besides the default vertical display we see now, you can also switch to the horizontal one, like this. And that's it. Thank you for watching.